This is an overview of the installation and use of the DriverLogic app. Go to the Google Play or Apple App Store and search for DriverLogic. Click the Install button and open it after it installs. The app will ask for permission to access the device's location. Select Allow all the time, but the app only tracks you when you are using the app. We do this to route the closest driver to the closest order to keep you moving and not waiting at a restaurant. Enter the email address created by the delivery service along with the password that they have set up and given to you, and click Sign In. You are now logged in, but you still need to check in by clicking the Change Status button and selecting Check-in. Dispatch will automatically send you a text that you should respond to with a ready. This helps the system to lock in on your initial location. Click on the chat button at the bottom of the screen and type ready and click send. Now click the orders button at the bottom, and you are now ready to receive orders as indicated by the green bar at the top that says Driver Online. You will get a notification that you have received an order. Click OK. You will also get a text notification that you can use to text the customer, and the customer can text you without revealing your real cell phone number to the customer. Once you get an order, simply touch it one time to open the order. Here you will find all the info you need to complete the order. Make sure you pay special attention to the pickup instructions, as this will tell you if you need to pay for the order or just pick it up. This is also where you accept the order. You should try and accept an order as soon as you get it so that the dispatcher knows you are headed toward the restaurant. Once you accept the order, you will see the bottom of the screen turn to Waiting on CSR, and that simply means the order is being placed with the restaurant. In this view, you will see the items and other order information like payment type and also your earnings if the service has turned this feature on. You can also call the customer or the restaurant from this screen. Once the order has been placed with the restaurant, you will be able to mark yourself arrived. Once you mark yourself arrived, you can use the checkbox to count off your items to make sure you are leaving with enough food. You would then mark yourself en route and click the directions buttons for the customer, where you can select the app you wish to use for your map. You can choose each time or make it your default app. After you have given the customer their food, you can now mark the order as delivered. And now click the Orders button to wait for your next order. There is another video that goes more in depth about the reports and should be watched after this video, but your reports are located here. There may be times that support asks you for information from your account screen. Click here and scroll down and send us a screenshot of this information. This is also where you log out from the driver app, which is different from checking out from the Change Status button.